Hello everyone, thanks for clicking on this video. Do you study English? Maybe for many years. Or maybe you are beginner. But when you hear people speak, you feel lost. You want to speak, but the word do not come out from your mouth. That's exactly you feel. I understand this feeling very well. Today I will share a story. It is a story about failing, but it is also a story about success. I will tell you how I went from a silent student to a confident speaker. I have a simple 4-step method. This method helped me. It can help you too. If you watch until the end, you will learn this exact 4-step method. It can help you to learn English or any new skill. A long time ago, I was a good student in my city. My grades in English class were average. I thought I am good at English. I was confident. Then my family moved to a new city. I went to a new school. Everything was in English. On the first day, the teacher spoke. I did not understand one word, not one. My confidence shattered. I felt embarrassed in front of my classmates. When my new friends talked to me, I could not understand their jokes or their stories. So I just smiled and nodded. Every day was difficult. Making friends was hard. The language seemed a high wall. I felt sad for many weeks. But one night I made a decision. I did not want to be the silent girl anymore. This English wall was my problem. I needed to break it. I realized something very important. The English I learned for tests was not real English. Test English was about rules and reading. Real English was about listening and speaking. My method was wrong. I needed a new way to learn and for communication. So I decided to do something different. I started to listen, such as podcasts and interviews. The 4-step method. This is the method that I promised to share with you. Step 1. Just listen. Find a short video. Play it. Close your eyes and just listen to the sound of the words. The goal is to hear the music of the language. Repeat it 2 or 3 times. Step 2. Listen and read. Now, watch the same video with subtitles. Listen to the words and read them at the same time. Your brain will start to connect the sounds you hear with the words you see. This is a very powerful connection or powerful method. Step 3. Listen and write. Now watch the same video again. But this time no subtitles. Listen to one sentence and pause the video. Write down the sentence you heard. This is a practice, not a test. This step trains your ear to catch every word. And finally, step 4. Repeat and speak. Look at the sentences you wrote. Read them out loud. Try to sound like the person or imitate the person in the video. Copy their rhythm. This step builds the muscle for speaking. It makes your mouth comfortable with English words. I did these 4 steps every single day. Some days for 30 minutes or some days for 10 minutes. But I did it every day. It became a habit. After doing this, I started to understand the teacher. First a few words, then whole sentences. With my friends, I started to understand their jokes. And soon I started to make my own sentences, own jokes. I started to participate in class discussions. My voice was not silent anymore. This method did more than teach me English. It taught me how to learn. It showed me that a very big problem can be solved. You just need to break it into small daily steps. Listen, read, write, speak. This cycle can work for anything. Learning to cook, to play an instrument, or to make anything. So, if you feel stuck, remember this story. It is okay to feel lost at first. It is okay to fail because failure is not the end. It is the beginning of a new way of learning anything. You have the power to break down your wall. Take initiatives and start with one small step today. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep learning and keep growing. The more you learn, the more you grow.